Nearly a year ago, I posted a recipe for some chicken noodle soup smothered chicken. It did gain a lot of traction, but since then I've improved the recipe, so here it is. Also, I've come to realize that not everyone is a visual learner, and that watching these videos isn't as easy to follow along with, especially if English is not your first language. Some people just do a lot better off with written instructions that they can follow along at their own pace. And I've thought endlessly about releasing a cookbook. So to all of my TikTok followers, please use the poll below and tell me, would you appreciate if I released a cookbook? But anyways, on to our recipe. Once you've seasoned your chicken and chopped up all your veggies, you're gonna go ahead and put about a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan and sear your chicken on both sides for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once you've got a nice golden brown color on your chicken, remove it from the pan and set it aside. But do not throw away all of those leftover chicken juices. We're actually gonna incorporate it into our gravy in the end. Once you're done browning your meat, you're gonna go ahead and toast your fideo noodles. So in a pan with about a tablespoon of vegetable oil, you're gonna toast your noodles, stirring consistently until they have a nice golden brown color. Set that aside, and in another pot, you're gonna melt 3 tablespoons of butter and cook down all of your veggies. Once your onions are mildly translucent, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir it well to incorporate it into your veggies, and then you're gonna go in with 1 teaspoon of your better than bouillon garlic paste. Add 3 cups of water, and you're gonna stir your mixture in your pot on low heat until it thickens. Add 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon and stir it in. And now we're gonna add our fideo noodles, that leftover chicken juice from earlier, and a half a cup of heavy cream. On low heat, you're gonna stir your ingredients together until well combined, and then you're gonna return your chicken to the pot, making sure that each piece is as submerged in the gravy as possible. And for your last step, you're gonna season it with some dried herbs of your choice, preferably some parsley, thyme, rosemary, oregano. Allow it to simmer for 20 more minutes and you are done. In the original recipe, someone suggested that you pair it with mashed potatoes, and it was probably the best suggestion for this dish.